Welcome to this first lecture on vectors. So R provides us with many ways which we can use to create vectors. And you will later observe that there are certain functions in R that output vectors. So that have vectors at output. So first we are going to use a C function to create a simple vector. So let us start with creating a numeric vector. So let's call this vector numeric vector. So C is in lowercase. Okay, so let's have these 2, 6, and say 8, and say 4. So this is our vector, and we can also use mode to actually say this. So this vector is a numeric vector. So we use mode function to actually determine the data types of that of the elements that are stored in a particular vector. So if we were to call this vector and say numeric vector, so we will have the elements that belongs to our vector. We can also create a vector of characters. Say for example we have hello, and we have there. Let's run that. So this is a vector of characters. We can also have a vector of logicals. So let's say we create this vector to have false, true, false, and true. And as we observed from the output, we have created a vector of logical values. Okay, and we can also store these data types, so which is 3 plus 4i. So in this case we have vector of complex numbers, so we will have another complex number, for example, and let's run that. So we have created a vector of complex numbers.